Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Amba Beauty Fashion. How are you? I hope you're fine. So viewers, you are watching Sajal Ali and Ahad Nikah photos. So Pakistan's much awarded wedding come to its lavish venue as Sajal Ali and Ahad Raza Mir tied the knot in Abu Dhabi. Today, the wedding ceremony of the couple held at undisclosed location in Abu Dhabi with close family and friends attending. The wedding festive of the most adorable couple had begun a week ago. Moreover, the adorable photos from the Dholki and Mayu made rounds on our videos. However, to do look stunning in traditional attire in the picture from their Mayu ceremony. Ahad Raza Mir Nikah's picture started circulation online with a fresh and happy smile on his face. Ahad looked elegant as he ended an off-white sherwani with shimmer-colored kola, which gave him a lavish groom look. So I hope viewers you like my videos and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.